in response to a lot of these problems. But I think with some intelligent guesswork, we can try and guess at some of the contours of such a solution, if not the exact nature of such a solution. I think the first and foremost is for it to be highly cost effective. I think that point has been made multiple times. It's a funny conundrum that on the one side, the cost of infrastructure is going down year on year. I think Moore's law is well understood by a lot of people, where the cost of the speed of processors comes down every year, the cost of storage comes down every year, and yet the cost of IT keeps going up every year. And I think part of it is to what Ajay was mentioning earlier about a lot of the innovation that happens standalone. The result of that is that it becomes very difficult for that to reach a stage of scale and sustainability. So I think we are going to have to try and find a way in the country of taking decentralized innovation, because by definition you cannot centralize innovation beyond a point, but taking the decentralized innovation and identifying it very early in the cycle, identifying which are the bets which are likely to succeed, and then making the right investments on those bets at a central level so that those innovations are able to scale and therefore bring down the cost of IT and the cost of transactions. I think that's going to be critical, because if I look at a lot of the failed examples of how innovations haven't really scaled in the country, the main reason is because they were tried out in pockets. There was no real awareness of what was happening